Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to how to set up watermark, or how you can change watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the arrow key here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So here you can set up date, time, and also device name or custom watermark. And now let's see how it will look like with watermark enabled. Please hold still while taking photo, okay. And as you can see, now we have this ASUS Zenfone 9 watermark and also date and time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.